Hello everyone.
Roommates. We're going to show you our empty apartment tour today. Here, let's start with the kitchen area. Okay, so this is our island. We're probably going to get some bar stools, right? To put there.
Yeah, something nice.
We got some barbecue sauce over here for this.
It's okay. We can eat.
Here's the favorite part of the kitchen.
It's the dishwasher. I hate washing dishes.
Why is it open like that? What else? We have tons of cabinet space. We're gonna start cooking.
Yes, we are.
They got a deep sink over here.
Very deep. Look at the sink.
Stainless steel.
Got a little hand sanitizer for now.
Yeah, we don't have soap, so. Should we open the fridge?
What's in there? Just show the freezer.
Oh, it's just a Chick-fil-A cups for bro. We got the fridge, got the freezer, ice maker.
For your concoctionist drink.
Yes, my mixology drinks.
And then more cabinets.
Yeah. So that's the kitchen. Got a trash can over here. That's my important.
Yeah.
So if you come this way, this is our empty living room space. We don't really have an idea yet of the layout.
Just TV.
Yeah, TV and a couch somewhere. Maybe a coffee table in the middle. Comes to the balcony right over here.
We don't know how to get out.
Lift up.
Yeah, lift up, unlock.
Okay, now push down.
Oh shit.
There we go.
Okay.
So this is our balcony.
Nice view.
Probably get some chairs. Sit out here. Oh,
Yeah, right here.
oh. Yeah, it's a nice space. It's warm. Got the lake over here.
At least the sun really doesn't shine.
Yeah, it's not direct sunlight, so.
I'm gonna lock it now because
I don't know how to.
this is just. Well, mine is gonna lock.
Yeah, because we want to do. Okay, let's go to your bedroom first.
Okay. So this is my room. This is my room. I'm thinking about putting my bed here and my TV on the opposite wall. Haven't really thought too much of it. And then my favorite part is the double closet. This side has 2 doors. And then this side is way deeper. It even has a cute little light. And then into the bathroom. Wait, our water bill is really kind of crazy. This has been dripping. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know. But I love the lights in here. And a fucking tub. Can I curse?
Yeah.
Oh, a fucking tub. It's been 4 years since I've been in a fucking tub.
Don't forget the wig.
Oh yeah, behind here. Come
Yeah,
this
from
way. My favorite part is my wig closet. Every shelf for all my wigs. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. Already ordered all my mannequin heads. And then it brings us back to the kitchen and our laundry. Pop here.
This is where we're gonna do laundry. What else am I supposed to say? Let me turn this off.
We'll probably keep paper towels and toilet paper in here with the laundry
Detergent
soap,
and
detergent.
stuff like that. Yeah.
I'm so tired of paying the wash anyway, so this
Tell me
is
about it.
amazing.
Okay. So
Back to the kitchen.
wait. Here's rooms on the right side, and then you come on this side. This is my room. So I, by default, got the master just for YouTube purposes. As you guys can see, it's a pretty decent space. I'm not really sure where I'm putting my bed. I'm not sure if I want it this way, if I want it this way.
Put the vanity in the closet.
I was thinking that because the closet's so damn big, but I don't think it's gonna fit. Bathroom, I'm happy also to have a tub. I haven't had a tub in 4 years. There's also hot water. There wasn't really hot water in my dorm currently. I want to change these lights probably up here to LED lights. And yeah, cool little bathroom. And this is my favorite part of the room, my closet. It's a full walk-in area. I'll probably even put a dresser in here. That's how big it is. I just have some bags down. Yeah. But yeah, let's go. I think that's it. Alright. That's pretty much the entire place. Took a lot of money, hard work, yes, saving. But I'm excited. I think we got it. We finally did it. We did it 100% on our own too. So yeah. Next up is furniture. So the furnished apartment tour will come up soon. Not soon. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one.